Namaskar. Myself, Dr. Vinay Tomar, Senior Professor, Ex-Director, Department of Urology, SMS Medical College, Jaipur, Rajasthan, India. It is obvious that we are passing a very difficult time as majority of part of the world is under lockdown. At this point of time, I would like to give some tips to prevent urinary tract infection. First of all, one should not wait long to use restroom. Whenever desire occurs, he or she should use it. It is also advised to hydrate yourself constantly by drinking plenty of water and fruit juices, etc. Then one should improve immune system by eating healthy diet containing proteins, vegetables, fruits, etc. One should exercise regularly on indoor basis. It is also advised to take sound sleep for at least 6 to 7 hours. Also try to take less stress and involve yourself in indoor hobbies during this period. It is very important to urinate after sexual intercourse, which leads to mechanical wash of bacteria from urinary tract. Now, I would like to mention something about diet and its relation to urinary health. First of all, we take water. Already I have mentioned that it helps to flush bacteria from genitourinary tract, which prevent infection. The parameter to assess adequacy of water intake is to keep watch on the color of urinary stream, which should appear like a water. Whenever it is dark yellow, one should start increasing or taking more water or liquids. Further, special care to be taken by women in post-menopausal age. In such patients, hormonal imbalance can predispose to urinary tract infection. Topical estrogen application may be helpful in some of the patients. It is advisable to eat cranberries or otherwise its juice, which is supposed to prevent infection. Use pure cotton undergarments, especially in summer or rainy season. Stay clean after visiting toilet. Wiping from back to front can increase risk of getting infection by fecal contamination. Now comes berries, especially cranberry. Also blueberry, raspberry, they can be used. Should be taken regularly. These berries have certain compounds which help to prevent urinary tract infection by keeping bacteria away from sticking to urothelial lining. Now we come to yogurt. Eating yogurt and other cultured dairy products, I mean to say fermented with good bacteria, regularly. It may decrease risk of UTI by 80%. Let's come to the fibrous diet. Lack of regular bowel movements, that is constipation, can cause pressure on urinary tract, especially urinary bladder, and it can block the flow of urine, leading to residual urine in the bladder. This residual urine in the bladder allows bacteria to grow. So the diet containing fibers to obviate constipation is essential. That is whole grain bread, apple, banana, vegetable, etc. Now we come to the vitamin C. It has got a very important role. And all the citrus fruits and other fruits which contain vitamin C should be taken regularly, as it makes the urine acidic and help to prevent bacteria from growing in the urinary system. As you know, that alkaline media of the urine that predisposes urinary infection. So this was all about the diet, and thank you very much